Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to do Nestum prawns. What I have here is about 17 to 18 pieces of prawns. I have already thrown away the veins and cleaned the part under the head and cut off the mouth portion that's prickly. What else we have here is I've got 1 spoon of self-raising flour and 1 spoon of corn flour. You can actually use 2 spoons of corn flour or 2 self-raising flour. It's up to you. And what I have here is fish sauce, some butter and 2 chili padi that's been chopped up, 1 egg and 2 bowls of Nestum, bowls like this. Okay, Nestum, about 1/3 of a bowl of icing sugar, 2/3 milk powder, some curry leaves that's washed and 1 egg. Okay, and of course you will need oil. This is all you need to make Nestum prawns, and it's a very fast dish once you get everything done. And now in the bowl I'm adding in some fish sauce and I'm going to toss it first after mixing it. Then what I will do is beat 1 egg. Beat the yolk up with the white and just pour it over. Pour it over and again just toss it. What you have to do now is get the Nestum ingredients ready in another bowl. What I would do is the 2 tiny bowls of Nestum, 1/3 bowl of icing sugar, only 1/3. If you put too much, your Nestum crumble would look rather brown because there's too much sugar going on there. And 2/3 bowls of milk powder, any brand you like. Okay, and once all this is done, just give it a mix. Actually, you have to add a little bit of fine salt. I would use about 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Mix it up and just get it ready, yeah? And then heat up the oil in a kuali, okay? And you will need is all this flour going in, the self-raising flour and the corn flour. You can use both corn flour or both self-raising flour or a mix like what I'm doing, and then give it a mix and deep fry this until it's cooked. I would say about 2 to 3 minutes. Do flip it over, 3 to 4 minutes, but flip it over. Okay, hari ni kita akan buat Nestum prawn, ya. Yang Aunty ambil di sini udang laut sebanyak 17 ataupun 18, ya. Boleh pakai udang apa-apalah sebenarnya. Okay, dan saya masukkan tadi 1 telur yang dipukul, 1 sudu kecil sos ikan dan kita gaul-gaulkan dia. Telur pun kita gaul sekali, ya. Lepas tu barang-barang yang kita perlukan adalah sedikit daun kari, 2 cili padi merah yang dipotong, mentega sebanyak 1 sudu sup, ya. Dan yang Aunty masukkan dalam ni ialah 1 sudu kecil garam, 2 bowl macam sup ayam yang kita dapat bila beli nasi ayam tu kan, yang kecil tu, 2 bowl Nestum, ya, Nestum original. Lepas tu 3/4 bowl susu tepung apa-apa jenama, 1/3 gula icing, dan itu sajalah 4 barang, ya. Garam, Nestum 2 bowl, susu tepung 2/3 bowl dan 1/3 gula icing kita masuk dalam ni, ya. Lepas tu kita boleh start masak. Yang udang ni saya masukkan 1 sudu sup tepung naik sendiri dan 1 sudu sup tepung jagung. Okay, I'm going to deep fry the prawns. Saya akan goreng udang, ya. Jangan taruh banyak-banyak, kita masukkan sikit-sikit. Masak sehingga 3 atau 4 minit lah, dua-dua belah, ya. Okay, I want to give you a tip. The eggs I use is for coloring, and if you are not happy with the color, a tip you can do is just add in a little bit of the custard flour if you have at home. Just, I would say, a 1 flat teaspoon together with all these other things. That will give a nice bright yellow coloring to your prawns. Okay, Aunty kasih satu tip ya. Telur tadi adalah untuk menambah warna dekat udang tadi. Tapi kalau tak cukup warna dia, kita boleh masukkan 1 sudu kecil lepis tepung custard. Tepung custard dibuat daripada jagung juga ya. Tepung jagung dan tambah lain-lain. So, kita boleh pakai 1 teaspoon tepung custard untuk mendapat warna yang cantik ya. Prawns has to be fully cooked, not half cooked ya. Udang-udang ni dia masak sepenuhnya, tak boleh separa masak. Okay, I put back a little bit of the oil after straining the oil with a bit of butter and cili padi. Saya telah tapis minyak tadi dan masukkan sedikit minyak lagi, daun kari dan cili padi dan mentega ya. Ini akan digoreng, jangan api besar sangat ya. Nanti warna daun kari itu bertukar pula. You don't want the daun kari to burn. Now add in all the mixture and cook it down. Sekarang masukkan bancuhan serbuk-serbuk nestem dengan gula semua ya, sampai dia kering dan bergerai. Ini saya pakai agak banyak jugalah nestemnya. Kadang-kadang orang suka pakai sikit saja, ada orang yang suka banyak. Saya akan tambah minyak sikit lagi ya. Cook it until you get a wonderful aroma coming and then put in the prawns. Masak sampai ada aroma yang sedap ya. Sekali udang dah masuk, dah boleh keluarkan cepat-cepat ya. Once the prawns have gone in, because it's fully cooked prawns, you can dish it out fast. Okay, nestem prawns, please do try it at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my recipes. Inilah nestem prawn ya, sedap ini. Budak-budak, orang tua semua mesti suka. Senang dibuat pun, cepat. Dan jangan lupa like, subscribe dan share resepi-resepi nanti ini. Okay, bye-bye.